Take a saucepan and add 1 cup of milk. Add 1/4 cup milk powder. Mix the mixture well. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix it well. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, you can add more as per your desire. Mix the mixture well. Add 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix this mixture well until the sugar dissolves completely. Now you can cook this mixture on low-medium flame. Add 50 grams of dark compound chocolate, this is optional. Now cook the mixture until it reaches its boiling point. Now you can switch off the flame. In a bowl, take 2 cups of chilled whipping cream. Whip the cream until it reaches to soft peaks. Now add chocolate mixture to the whipped cream. Mix this mixture well. Now you can transfer this mixture to an airtight container. You can garnish it with chocolates or chocolate chips. Now, you can refrigerate this mixture overnight. The chocolate ice cream is now ready to fulfill your cravings. Hope you enjoy. This brings us to the end of this recipe. Please leave a like. share it with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel and click the bell for post notifications. See you in the next video with another amazing recipe. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.